Oh, no, 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 no.
Bottom.
Come here.
As I mentioned before, I don't know that you're going to have to be so cautious with this in terms of like special. These are beautifully hand-stitched sequins. So, it's so cute. And don't you feel like you see a little bit of like, I feel like it's a very soft houndstooth print, a little bit. Yeah, it's a print. Yeah, that's why I'm like, I feel like it's a little houndstooth. It's very to me like if what?
Huh?
I owed him up.
I think I like this. I think I like this.
It is, I mean, I love the design in the front that they have done. I'm gonna bring it up a little closer. I love this design, this hardware that they have done. Then I love very fast, beautiful.
Huh?
Of the bag. Notice even the piping. The piping is done. And this is modeled after something that you would see in a true leather handbag. Right? Really nice upscale designer canvas. They still have that beautiful to it. I love that we were able to give that to you in this bag. This is what we both really liked about it. We love the jewelry grade hardware that's here. And when we say
Hi!
this is
Hi!
the type of
Good morning!
plaid that we would see in a bangle, your gold girl that's going to match back to the jewelry that you love to wear. Just a really nice, pretty statement, okay, on the front. And I love how they did this kind of insert, which is geometric. And they did one.
God!
Somebody say something I don't like, slap. Or somebody look at me a way I don't like, slap. Somebody breathe too hard around me, slap, slap.
That's why we love these bags. I mean, that's why we really put a lot of so I love that big, nice, comfortable double strap at the top. Now, Weiss was mentioning also, how cute is this? Like, isn't that cute?
What?
The chain link
What?
so pretty.
What? I don't understand. What is?
I owed him up.
The thing that I think is fun, I actually like crossbody, but to me, I really I like it as a shoulder bag, or yeah, do one of these, or like do on the shoulder. should now have a denim,
Yeah, that is so true.
right? So definitely giving that like little
That-
twist, dress, like it's really cute. You are going to comment Okay, you have another bag that you
Meow.
with Weiss on this, you can feel is
Meow.
nice. It's a little thicker, it's a little gutsier, it has a nice, very soft, very durable feel to it, but it still definitely has that softness that we've come to love in the vegan leather bags that we're bringing in. That's going to protect the base of the bag. Notice even the piping. Like the piping is beautifully done. And this is modeled after something you see on the designer leather bag, or even an upscale designer canvas bag. It's still going to have that beautiful piping to it. I love that we were able to